Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to cut out a person in Photoshop. Let's get started. You can choose any selection tool. You can use any selection tool for cut out person. Example I use for lasso tool. You can use any selection tool. Quick selection tool or pen tool as you wish. I use lasso tool, then select person. Okay, then right click on your mouse, fill content area. Press Ctrl D, or you can use clone stamp tool. That's it. Hold Alt key in here and fill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe.